How to reinstall Netflix on LG Smart TV. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to reinstall Netflix on LG Smart TV. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, let us learn how to uninstall the Netflix on your TV. Press the Home or Start button to access the launch bar. Tap on the Edit App List option and select Netflix. Also, go ahead and select the trash icon to delete the app and confirm your choice by tapping on Yes. Once done, follow these steps to reinstall Netflix. Press the Home or Start button to access the launch bar. Click Apps and tap on the search icon and find Netflix and go to the Netflix page. Hit the Install button you see there, and after reinstalling Netflix, re-enter your login credentials to set up the app and access your content. So, this is how you can reinstall Netflix on LG Smart TV. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.